Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to make a hard reset of your Motorola G51 5G. As you see, I have a problem because I have the pin issue. I didn't remember the password of my phone, so the only way to delete it is to making a hard reset of my phone. So to do that, we have to turn off our device and then we have to press volume down and power button together. So let's keep trying. Volume down and power button. Keep holding both the key. Volume down, power. Yeah, release all the keys. As you see, we have a secret menu. From me, gonna choose volume up to recovery. Accept by power. No comment. Let's try to volume down and power. No, volume up and power. Volume up and power. Volume up and power together. Oh yeah, that's it. And if you try, we have to enter the menu. From we're gonna choose volume down to wipe data factory reset, accept by power. Make a factory data reset, accept by power, and that's the way it is. The phone now will delete all the data from the phone. We have to wait a few seconds. It will formatting, and erase all the things that you have on the phone. So be sure to make a copy if you can, because if you have a pin, you won't make a copy of your data. Okay, all is complete. Now we're going to reboot system now by pressing volume down. And now phone, we got to start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. And be sure that you have to make now the Google account password, because if you have it on the phone we're gonna ask about it. And that's the way it is. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!